change. The population of an island is 14,800. The population decreases by 3% each year. How many will there be in 5 years' time? So here's the working we write down. You take the amount involved, 14,800. Now we've got to think about what percentage do I multiply by. It's a decrease. So remember how we always start these percentages to work out the multiplier. 100% is your first thought. Decrease means you're going to take away the percentage. 100% take away 3% is 97%. And then, because it's compound, that's implicit in the question, for a period of 5 years, so we put to the power 5. And that's all we have to do. Then you get your calculator out. And so just move the actual calculation we're doing just to the right so you can see the buttons I press. 14800 times 97, then you must press that percentage button. To the power is the X with the little white box there, to the power 5, and 12,709. Okay, 12,709. In this context, where we're dealing with the population, where it's called, the actual technical term is discrete numbers, okay, you can't have decimals, okay, so we would round it in this case to 12,709. Right now, I think most of you are quite competent with that. Let's look at a far harder one. And we'll see why it's far harder. So copy down this question. For how many years must I leave my investment of 9,000 if the interest rate is 2.5% compound per year, and I want to earn £500. What makes this difficult is one of the things is unknown. How many years? I don't know the time interval. But let's say it was a normal question, where we're working forwards. I would take my 9,000 and I would multiply it by what? What would the multiplier be? What percentage I'm going to multiply it by? Young girl at the front? 102.5%. And I would multiply it to some, and then I would then raise it to some power. What value am I trying to make it to? It says I want to earn £500 interest. So what is the figure I'm trying to get to? Young boy at the front. No, I don't want the answer. I want to know this. I want to make it equal what value? Young girl at the side. 9,500. Yeah, I want it to grow by 500, so it would be 9,500. Now, here's how we do it. We're going to try values of t. Can anybody give me a value to start with? I'm going to do it by trial and improvement. Young fellow at the back.
3, sir.
Let's try t equal to 3. Okay, here we go. So, watch what I do. I type in 9,000 times 102.5% to the power 3, and I'm hoping it's going to equal 9,500. That was just a bit too big. So let's try 2. Okay, so now here's the wonderful thing about these calculators. All I've got to do is, I don't have to type out the whole thing again, I'm just going to move this little button here. 9455. So, what's the answer? We'll just go back. The original guess by the young fellow at the back here, which has seen a pretty good one, gave us 969. Put that up again. 9692.01. So how many years would I have to leave it for if I wanted to earn £500 interest? Young fellow, side there. 3 years, yeah. So T equals 3. Now, it's not a very good question. The question should have been said, I want to earn at least £500 interest, okay? Right.